Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank here from Altcoin Buzz. So we gave you this video, 10 altcoins to 100x your money in 2020. Well, today we're going to go over 8 altcoins, 8 low cap gems, 8 potentially undervalued cryptocurrencies, which could take the world by storm due to the fact that they offer enterprise solutions. So enterprise is actually connected to the word entrepreneur. And some people think of enterprises as being a new business, but in general, the term is more often used to describe large, complex organizations. And when you talk about enterprise solutions, you're talking about solutions which solve problems for organizations which have hundreds or even thousands of employees and possibly tens or even hundreds of thousands of customers worldwide. And that is what makes this group of altcoins, which we're going to talk about today, so exciting, that as and when they get more enterprise clients, and if their tokens are required by these enterprise clients to use their blockchains, then each and every one of these tokens could have some massive potential for gains in 2020 and 2021. Now be sure to stick around till the end of the video where I will give you our top pick. This is one cryptocurrency which we regularly cover. The price action has been very impressive despite this massive dump which a lot of altcoins see. This particular altcoin has seen very impressive price performance and it's got really interesting tokenomics. So be sure to stick around till the end of the video to find out what that cryptocurrency is. If you enjoy this content and want to see more of it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button as it really helps to support the channel. Before I get started, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor and that trading and investing presents financial risks. So starting off with our list, we have VIDT Datalink. There was an incredible amount of hype around VIDT Datalink. It saw a very impressive, explosive move up here. Of course, anything which goes up this fast has to come down. That being said, they have a whole range of clients. We've been covering their news recently as well. And if you go over to their website, you can see that they are involved with data integrity. So rapidly digitizing businesses call for trustworthy data and defense practices against fraud and errors. Bring structural security into your processes by making your data integrity verifiable. So as I say, they have a solid team. They have a lot of really good marketing. You can check out their video over here. We also wrote an article on altcoinbuzz.io here by Laurie Dunn. Is VIDT the new Chainlink? And I'm not going to read through the article, but if we go to the end here, basically the conclusion is that just like Link, VIDT has the tech, the revenue, the clients, the partnerships, the team, and everything else going in its favor that will lead to long-term and sustainable growth into the future. Number 2 on our list is Morpheus Network. CoinGecko has not recorded its market cap yet, so we can't see how it places in the rankings. Morpheus Network wasn't quite as hyped as VIDT, as you can see by this price chart. We didn't actually reach new highs in May, but on the other hand, we also haven't corrected as significantly. So heading over to Morpheus.network here, you can see that it's blockchain-powered supply chain. So Morpheus Network is a supply chain software as a service middleware platform seamlessly integrating legacy and emerging technologies, e.g. blockchain, IoT, RFID, etc. They provide companies with shipment and item visibility for optimizing and automating safe and secure supply chains, saving time and money. Number 3 on our list, this one has a soft spot for me at least, is ShareToken SHR. We were covering their news long before they pumped. I know that our CEO Shash got in at a very early price. I still hold a little bit of share. I sold most of it on this massive pump up here. ShareToken currently in 155th place. The market cap went up considerably. However, because the circulating supply increased, the price of the tokens did actually decrease quite significantly, or at least that's one of the reasons why it decreased. Of course, the whole market went down either way. So we cover sharing news as well as news from pretty much all of these tokens. So feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated on what the news of these cryptocurrencies are. So sharing ecosystem, empowering communities. Sharing assists communities by offering a convenient and free service for customers and businesses alike so they can trade with each other via a truly localized, secure, and accessible marketplace. This is not just in the testing phase. They've already launched a product, so definitely something to watch out for. Sharing ID, empowering individuals. Sharing ID allows individuals to take control of their digital identity. And finally, sharing pay, connecting industries. Sharing redefines the way industries interact with each other. Number 4 on our short and sweet list of top low cap gems related to enterprise solutions is, of course, KardiaChain. KardiaChain currently ranks 221st place. Similar to most altcoins, they have seen a massive drop in price. That being said, this explosion of price previously was absolutely phenomenal. So if we can see something like that again, that would be pretty impressive. Now, there's always lots of good news coming out from KardiaChain, new partners, new clients. And KardiaChain here is a hybrid blockchain solution for enterprises and governments. So again, if you have some enterprise or governments who adopt your solution, this means that they will provide it for hundreds, maybe tens of hundreds of thousands of customers. So it really can be absolutely massive. And they already do have certain customers and clients. So it's not like this is all, super untested. They are already in the process of making this happen. And of course, KardiaChain, we cover their news very regularly as well on the channel. Number 5 on our list, probably the most unknown to the public, is the Fuse Network token. Just FYI, several of the people on the Altcoin Buzz team do own the Fuse Network token, including myself. Now, this is still pretty early stages. They haven't started properly marketing yet, so really not too much to say about the price just now. And Fuse are all about turning communities into thriving economies. So they allow companies and communities to enable secure and frictionless mobile payments with ease. Furthermore, the Fuse Studio allows you to build your own wallet and mint your own custom branded currency for your company or community. So that's pretty cool. We handle all the heavy lifting, allowing you to reward and grow your user base by easily integrating a sophisticated payment solution. Number 7 on our list is NOIA Network, NOIA. Now, in terms of the price, we had this massive drop, but this was due to NOIA issuing a one-to-one NOIA swap via a new smart contract, so nothing to be concerned about. NOIA currently ranks 249th place on CoinGecko. And NOIA brands itself as the internet for the modern world, security, reliability, and speed in minutes. They say here that the internet we have today is a patchwork of technologies some decades old. Outdated infrastructure leaves internet users with unsecure, slow, and unreliable connections. So this is what they are trying to solve. Again, another token which we regularly cover in the Altcoin Buzz news segment by Matty. Just as an FYI, I do hold a little bit of NOIA. Now we get on to coin number 7, which is DigitalBits XDB. Currently ranks 519th place with a market cap of $4.48 million. Unlike some of the other cryptocurrencies like Sharing SHR and VIDT Datalink VIDT, this cryptocurrency did not actually see such a massive pump back in May. But that doesn't mean that we don't see good things to come for DigitalBits XDB. So DigitalBits.io, a blockchain for brands, the network layer for branded cryptocurrencies. DigitalBits is a protocol layer blockchain focused on supporting consumer digital assets, specifically branded currencies. This is inclusive of assets such as loyalty and rewards points, gift cards, and notably the growing asset category of branded stablecoins. Before we get onto the last cryptocurrency, which I think is the most interesting in terms of price performance, in terms of fundamentals, here is a quick message from our sponsor, AAX.com. This is an exchange which is powered by LSEG, powered by the London Stock Exchange technology. So we're going to go over the tokenomics of AAB, what the utility of the token is. So currently there's 50 million AAB tokens, of which, according to CoinMarketCap, 26 million are circulating. Furthermore, the total of these 50 million coins will be distributed over 5 years. So that leaves another 24 million to be distributed over the next 5 years. AAX used 100% of the trading fees earned by AAX on its futures market to buy back and burn the tokens on a daily basis. So any AAB bought back from the market will be permanently destroyed and auditable on the blockchain. This process will continue until 50% of the total supply of AAB is destroyed. So you can check out this article on aax.zendesk.com, but the utility is that there's a multi-tiered discount scheme optimized wealth management platform upgrades, and the Pioneer program. Now, in terms of TA, we obviously had a pretty phenomenal dump over here from the top, from $1.7 all the way down to $0.13, $0.14. I actually started slowly averaging in over here because I thought the exchange was pretty decent, and it seemed weird that it would see such a massive dump. And also we were starting to bottom out over here, so I got pretty lucky to get in at the bottom. That being said, I only got a tiny amount, and right now we have a lower low, lower high pattern on the daily time frame. So not ideal in terms of trend following, since we are now currently in a downtrend. Also, we have this red line here which represents previous resistance and previous support. So once we break this red line here, this level of about 0.44, we can start regaining confidence in a new trend. That is, of course, just from a trading perspective. So feel free to sign up to the AAX.com exchange using our link down in the description below. Okay, so now we get on to number 8 on our list. Quant Network QNT. This is the low cap gem. In fact, it's not really a low cap anymore. It's a medium cap, really, $103 million. We cover Quant Network very regularly. Unlike the other coins which we saw, which had a massive pump and then a massive dump after May, Quant Network has just been on a very solid, steady uptrend all the way back since March. We really haven't seen any dumps which are nearly as massive as the other coins. Of course, one of the reasons for this is that it's a higher market cap, but nonetheless, the fact that we went from $11 down to $8 shows that, you know, we managed to maintain these important higher lows which we're seeing on this chart here. So very impressive price performance for QNT. So if you head over to the website quant.network, you can see what they're all about. The Overledger is what powers Quant Network. They have the Overledger network and the Overledger operating system. If you're curious to learn more about Quant Network, feel free to check out this 31-minute review which I did a couple months back. This was 3 days of full-time Quant Network madness, but it was really interesting to learn about the team, about the product they have, and it will be very informative if you do consider investing. I also wrote a series of articles summarizing the video. You can check this out on altcoinbuzz.io. This is the Quant Network review with a conclusion. We talk about the CEO and team, the QNT utility and tokenomics, Quant Network's products, and the overview and partnerships. You can go on to those specific links to get more details, or you can just read this summary here about the team, the tokenomics, the use case, the network partnerships, and of course the competition and conclusion. As mentioned, we cover Quant Network updates almost religiously. I personally hold some. So no matter what, you'll be hearing more about Quant Network from us. Alright guys, that's been it for these 8 top low cap gems related to enterprise solutions. Traditional enterprise solutions are a huge deal in the world. So if we have cryptocurrency enterprise solutions getting adopted on a massive scale, these are some of these gems of these cryptocurrencies which could seriously benefit from adoption. So guys, that's been it from me for today. Let me know which of these tokens you hold, which ones you're thinking of buying. Guys, please do your own research. Please don't just buy from some random dude telling you to do so on YouTube. Although we've done our due diligence, there's always risks involved. Especially with low cap altcoins. They can move up, but they can also move down very aggressively and very quickly. All right, guys, I wish you the best of luck with your trading and investing, and I'll see you in the next one.